Our world is now digital, with billions of connected devices, all promising to make life easier and more convenient. But because physical and paper-based identities don't readily support our digital lives, we still face the challenge of proving who we are online. Try opening a bank account or moving house. You'll still need paper documents and a witness to come and sign in person. Accessing your online accounts relies on remembering every single login, every password, and answering security questions, assuming you remember them correctly. And updating your online profiles with any change of personal information can be a time-consuming nightmare. More and more devices require our identity. Think of the intelligent car, the connected home, and health facilities. Increasingly, we're interacting digitally in physical environments too. Wouldn't it be great if every time you needed to prove your identity online, it could be as easy as saying, "Hi, it's me." What's needed is a singular, reusable digital identity, one that's accepted globally and can be used across multiple digital touchpoints. At MasterCard, we're focused on providing trusted identity verification and authentication services with our network, across borders and with multiple partners, enabling the future of digital identity, removing barriers to consumer interactions, and streamlining the digital experience for everyone.